Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Xbox One is updated and has sufficient storage, because updates and cached files affect compatibility. Once done, sign into the same Microsoft account you used on the Series X or S so digital licenses carry over. Next, connect to a stable network, prefer wired if possible, to avoid interruptions when downloading large files. Finally, locate whether you own the digital license or need the disk. This determines whether you will download or insert media to start installation. You now get the game onto your console. If it's digital, open My Games and Apps, then Ready to Install and cue the title. This ensures your license triggers the download. If you have a disk, insert it. Remember, only supported Series XS games are backward compatible with Xbox One. Once installation starts, make sure required updates install before launching. Optional add-ons can wait. While it downloads, check storage allocation and cancel non-essential downloads so the game installs as quickly as possible. You're at the final steps. Launch the game and sign into any in-game accounts to unlock cloud saves or multiplayer. Make sure to adjust performance or resolution settings if Xbox One struggles. Lowering quality improves frame rate. If the game won't start or the license won't appear, perform a hard reboot, re-sign into your Microsoft account, and try reinstalling. If problems persist, clear local saved game cache or note the error code and contact Xbox support. That troubleshooting path you
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.